narrowly, narrowly,
narrow, narrow, narrowly,
only by a small amount.
he narrowly escaped death in the accident. She narrowly missed winning an Oscar.
to place, to place,
Place, place, place, replacement, displacement, place, replace, displace, misplace.
Instead of something.
Try adding fruit to your cereal in place of sugar.
To do something instead of someone else.
If I can't make it to the theater that night, you can take my place.
At the start of a situation.
Why did you invite her in the first place?
In or to many different places.
There were dirty dishes all over the place.
To put something somewhere carefully.
She placed the letter in front of me. Long term. Long term.
Over a period of time that continues a long way into the future.
This decision may make financial sense now, but it will have serious consequences in the long term. Breakthrough. Breakthrough.
An important discovery or event that helps to improve a situation or provide an answer to a problem.
Scientists are hoping for a breakthrough in the search for a cure for cancer. A major breakthrough in negotiations has been achieved. Rule. Rule. Rule, ruler, ruling, rule.
The usual way something is.
An exception to the rule. I visit my parents on Sunday, as a rule.
To be in control of somewhere, usually a country.
They were ruled for many years by a dictator.
To influence someone's thoughts or actions.
His life is ruled by the demands of his job.
remarkable, remarkable,
Remark, remark, remarkable, remarkably.
Very unusual or noticeable in a way that you admire.
He is a truly remarkable man. He has a remarkable memory.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
Used to show politeness when refusing something or disagreeing.
I'm sorry, but I think you've made a mistake. I'm sorry, I can't agree. I'm sorry, but I just don't think it's a good idea. Recording. Recording. Record, recording, record.
The process or business of putting sounds, especially music, onto a disc, magnetic tape, etc., using electronic equipment.
A recording studio. Down. Down.
Unhappy or unable to feel excited or energetic about anything.
She's been really down since her husband died. I've been feeling a bit down this week. extreme, extreme, extremist, extreme, extremely,
very large in amount or degree,
extreme pain or danger or wealth,
the most unusual or the most serious possible,
extreme weather conditions. In extreme cases, the disease can lead to blindness. Betray, betray,
to behave in a dishonest or cruel way to someone who trusts you.
she felt betrayed by her mother's lack of support. He promised never to betray her. Bell, bell,
A hollow, metal object, shaped like a cup, that makes a ringing sound when you hit it.
the sound of church bells ringing.
preferable, preferable,
Preference, prefer, preferable, preferably.
Better or more suitable.
Staying at home is preferable to going out with someone you don't like. Surely a diplomatic solution is preferable to war.
Laundry. Laundry.
Clothes, sheets, etc. that need to be washed.
To do the laundry. Ambitious, ambitious, ambition, ambitious.
Wanting to be successful or powerful.
An ambitious young lawyer. He's very ambitious for his children.
If a plan or idea is ambitious, it will need a lot of work and will be difficult to achieve.
This is our most ambitious project so far. She has some ambitious plans for her business.